Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to contact Bybit support. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open Bybit app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, log into your Bybit account. Now, look for the support icon at the top right corner of the page and click on it. A menu of a list of common issues will appear. Select the issue that most closely matches your concern. If your specific issues isn't listed, you can choose a general inquiry options or proceed to contact support directly. After selecting your issue, choose the live chat option to start the conversation. Initially, you may be connected to a short bot designed to provide immediate answers to common questions. But if your issue requires more detailed assistance, or if you prefer to speak with a human, you can type specialist in the chat. This command should redirect you from automated chatbot to a live specialist who can offer more personalized support. So that's basically how you can contact Bybit support. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.